Well, the Cypher's Nanofabrication Laboratory is a state-of-the-art clean room. It's ultra clean. We have the capability of making devices and materials down to the nanoscale, which in our case we can make critical dimension feature sizes down to 6 nanometers across. What we do in the SNL, there's a very broad range of topics, and these are researchers from all the disciplines. They converge here to the Burke Nanotechnology Center and work in our clean room. And we have electrical engineering projects, we have mechanical engineering projects, physics, chemistry, biology. Some of the applications that we're working on are new MEMS devices, the micro-electromechanical systems that actually have micro-moving parts, and they can do sensing and actuation and different applications like that. We're working on a variety of technologies for cancer research, for targeted drug delivery, for specific aiming of radiation treatments, those types of things. We're working on new materials that have properties actually that don't exist in nature, and we're also working on a variety of other topics that gets into thermal characteristics, heat transfer, cooling of chips, ultra fast modern electronic device technology, just a broad array of projects here. We also have atomic layer deposition systems where we can layer multiple layers of sandwich type materials, one atomic layer at a time, and then these have some unique properties and characteristics used in various applications. We also have AFMs, or atomic force microscopes, that allow us to feel the surface of materials, and we can actually discern individual atoms with certain techniques in terms of how we measure those surfaces. Well, several features make us really unique. We have the largest clean room of any university in the country. We have 25,000 square feet of clean room. We have the cleanest clean room. We have about half of our floor space is called Class 1, which is the cleanest you can possibly make air in any environment. We have ultra pure water, which we use in our processing, and it's the cleanest water on earth. All the minerals, all the contaminants have been removed from it, and so it's actually the cleanest water that you can get. What we mean by Class 1 is if you take a cubic foot of air and measure the number of particles in it greater than a half micron in diameter, then Class 1 means there are 1 or fewer particles in that cubic foot. So we're uniquely the only clean room associated with a university in the country that has Class 1 capability, and about half of our floor space is considered Class 1. Most university clean rooms are Class 10, Class 100, so we're cleaner than any other facility. And what that allows us to do is to work at very, very small geometries, not have to worry about small particles interfering and causing devices not to work or materials to be contaminated because we have such clean air. Same holds true for the water as well. As part of the processing to build devices or materials, you need to do some interim steps with rinsing and cleaning the surfaces, and we use this ultra pure water for that. And so if the water is totally contaminant free, then we don't have to worry about contaminating our devices. To work at the Cypher's Nanofab Lab, if you're a member of the Purdue family, if you're a professor or a student, it's a fairly simple application process. You come in, you take 3 different courses, and these are training courses to get you familiar with the building, with fume hood safety, because you'll probably be using a fume hood at one time or another, and also working in the clean room. The clean room itself has some specific rules and protocols that everyone working in there must follow, and so you need to go through that training. So once you've gotten into all 3 of those classes, then you're provided a Coral account, which allows you to reserve equipment, and then you take specific training on individual equipment that you may use in your research, and you're good to go, so you're on your way. If you're a person from the outside, we have 2 different ways you can get work accomplished here. One is that we can do that for you, and you can pay for our services for a fee. And the other way is for yourself, send the company or the university's engineers here and work with us. And you can take those 3 training courses as well, get an account set up and do the work yourself. So the best way to work through that is look on our website, and there's a new users link there, and that details all the courses and all the protocol you have to follow.